from my heart and from my hand. Why don't people understand my intention?
So good morning. Before we actually choose the winner of our June giveaway, I just wanted to say a big thank you to everybody that has viewed, liked and subscribed to the channel in the last 12 months. We originally intended to use this as a way to document the project for the family, but we've got over 700 subscribers now, which is just amazing. As a result of that, we are making some changes and have made some changes. You'll have noticed already that we've changed the name of the channel because we are going to focus on the mini culture moving forward, so we thought that was a more appropriate name. The second one is that we've actually already lined up another 2 projects involving minis to develop on the channel over the next year or so. And at some point we're also going to have to change our location, because the location that we're in right now, it's actually a rented space. It's not ideal for this type of videoing. The sound quality is terrible in this metal container. So we're also going to need to move the workshop in that time frame as well. So again, thanks a lot, really appreciate it, and let's get to the more important topic of choosing a winner.
Okay, so let's use this random generator to pull out the winner for the June giveaway. If my trusty assistant would click, let's see. So there we have it, there's the winner. Congratulations to Andrew Price. We'll be in contact shortly, Andrew, to discuss how we want to ship this. And by the way, I will throw in as well a couple of these mini culture t-shirts that we recently had made as well. So yeah, look forward to talking to you soon, Andrew. Thanks a lot.
So congratulations to Andrew on being the June giveaway winner. Stay tuned over the next few days because we do have some more updates to do with the grey build. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. There are going to be a lot more projects moving forward, and we've got one particularly exciting and unique mini project coming after we've completed this build. So stay safe, take care, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.